Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2nd, subject English 1, grammatics, chapter 5, topic the noun, kinds of nouns. I am Ritu Bishramola, your English teacher. Hope you all are good and safe at your home. Lesson 5. This chapter is all about nouns. Noun, it's a part of speech. Nouns, person, place, animal, thing. So children, first of all, what is noun? Words which are used for people, places, animals or things. Name of person, place, animal or things are called nouns. Or we can say all the naming words are called nouns. So children, for example, name of the people are Anita, Jay. Name of the places, Forest, New Delhi. Name of the animals, elephant, monkey. Name of the things, phone, umbrella. All these things have their own name. So the name of the people, places, animals or things are called noun, or all the naming words are called nouns. So children, let's recapitulate the definition of noun. A noun is a term given for a naming word that names a person, place, animal or things. Some examples of nouns are baby, park, dog and ball. So children, let's learn the kinds of nouns. Number 1, proper nouns. Number 2, common nouns. Number 3, collective nouns. So children, we have to learn kinds of nouns, proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns. So children, first we will learn proper nouns. Proper nouns are the special names given to certain common nouns, and they always begin with a capital letter. For example, Manoj, Ramesh. Manoj and Ramesh, special names of persons. Mumbai, Kolkata, special names of cities. Ganga, Yamuna. Special names of rivers. Monday, Tuesday. Special names of days. India, China. Special names of countries. So all these naming words are the special names of person, cities, rivers, days, countries. So proper nouns are the special names given to certain common noun, and they always begin with the capital letter. So children, let's take more example of proper nouns. Here, person, risky, animal, Pluto, place, red fort, thing, car. Here the name of the car is Honda City. So name of the person, name of the animal, name of the place, name of the thing. All the nouns have their special name. Risky, Pluto, red fort, Honda City. These are specific names, special names. And all the special names started with the capital letter. So here all the special names are proper nouns. So children, next is common nouns. Common nouns are the names of people, animal, places or things of the same kind. For example, girl, flower, city, country, river, day. Children, let's take some more example of common nouns. Here, first picture is boy. Name of the person is boy. Animal. Name of the animal is dog. Place. Name of the place is fort. Next, name of the thing is car. So here, name of the person boy, animal dog, place fort, thing car. So all these are the example of common nouns. So children, let's see the difference between common noun and proper noun. Common nouns: name of general people, name of general animals, name of general places, or name of general things. Common noun do not need capital letter. For example, singer. It can be any singer. Here, the name is not mentioned. And in proper nouns, name of specific people, specific animal, specific places, or name of specific things. So proper nouns require capital letter. For example, Taylor Swift. Here the name is mentioned, specific name is mentioned. So children, next is collective nouns. So children, next is collective nouns. Collective means group. Collective nouns are words for group of people, animals or things. For example, army. Army means a group of soldiers. Bouquet, a group of flowers. Bunch, a group of keys. Fleet, a group of ships. Flock, a group of birds. Herd, a group of cattle. Shoal, a group of fish swimming together. Team, a group of players. So children, let's try the exercises on the basis of the explanation. So question number A, write the nouns which is different from the others in this list. So number 1, red, blue, color, yellow, green. So here student, you have to just find out the noun which is different from the others. So here all are the names of the colors and one heading, color. So we'll write color. Come to the number 2, potato, vegetable, cauliflower, brinjal, capsicum. So here all are the name of the vegetables and only vegetable noun is different. So we will write vegetable. Come to the number 3, lion, tiger, wolf, buffalo, animals. So here all are the names of the animals, only animal is a word different. So we will write in the list animal. Come to the number 4, planet, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn. So all are the name of the planets, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn. Only the name, the noun planet is different. So we will write in the list planet. So the word planet is different. Number 5, apple, papaya, mango, fruit, banana. So here apple, papaya, mango, banana, all are the name of the fruit. Only the word noun fruit is different. So we will write in the list fruit. So children, let's try the B part. Here is a list of nouns: button, wolf, nurse, stadium, bread, secretary, player, clinic, panther, wristwatch, spider, photograph, library, zoo, zebra, shopkeeper, dancer, church, file, fox. All are the nouns. So children, now arrange them in the correct columns. So here we have 4 columns for the name of the persons, places, animals, things. So in the persons column, so name of the persons are nurse, secretary, player, shopkeeper, dancers. So here all are the name of the persons. So come to the next column, places, stadium, clinic, library, zoo, church. All are the name of the places. Come to the next column, animals, wolf, panther, spider, zebra, fox. All are the name of the animals. Come to the next column, things, bread, button, wristwatch, photograph, file. All are the name of the things. So we'll write in the things column. C part is pick out nouns in the following sentences and write them on the given lines. So here are the few sentences. We have to find out the nouns. So number 1, the hunter kills the tigresses. Hunter and tigresses are the nouns. Come to the number 2. Egypt is an African country. So Egypt and country. Come to the number 3. The girl sings a sweet song. Here girl and the song are nouns. Come to the number 4. The woodcutter has cut many trees. So word woodcutter and trees are the nouns. Come to the number 5. Jaipur is a historical city. Jaipur and city are the nouns. Come to the number 6. My uncle is an advocate. So the word uncle, advocate are noun. Come to the number 7. English is my favorite subject. The word English and subject are nouns. Come to the number 8. Mango is a sweet fruit. Mango and fruit are nouns. Come to the number 9. Her aunt is a wise woman. So the word aunt and woman are nouns. Come to the number 10. Cricket is a popular game. So the word cricket and game are nouns. D exercise. Write the correct collective nouns. Number 1. Bunch. A bunch of keys means a group of keys. An army of soldier means group of soldiers. A bouquet of flowers here means a group of flowers. A fleet of ships, a group of ships. A flock of birds means a group of birds. A team of players, a group of players. Now E exercise. Tick right the balloons with nouns written on them. So children, here The boy is having 5 balloons in his hand, and on every balloon written one word. So just put tick on the noun and write the nouns. Number 1 balloon is Anil. Number 2, June. 3, write. 4, sing. 5, dog. So, in the given words, Anil, June, dog are noun, write and sing. Both the words are verb. So, nouns are Anil, June, dog. Anil is the name of the person. June, name of the month. Dog, name of the animal. So, nouns are Anil, June, dog. Children, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.